Hi, this is Lance Edwards, and it's Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. And I want to share a quote that my general manager sent to me last night. This is from Winston Churchill. A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity. An optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. Again, Winston Churchill, perhaps the greatest wartime leader ever. And in the start of World War II, when England was standing all alone against Nazi Germany, he was really the one who saw them through it when a lot of people wanted to just fold up. And so I want to share that with you. I've really, in this time of crisis we had, I've looked to Winston Churchill as a leader. How do you respond? Matter of fact, if you have never seen the movie Darkest Hour, or even if you have, I encourage you to watch it again. I've watched it probably 3 times during this crisis as inspiration about just never give up. And the good news is things are starting to open back up again. Our state of Texas announcements are opening up. Multiple states starting to open up. And there's some light at the end of the tunnel that we've been talking about on a number of sessions, which means the opportunity is officially opening up. And we've been talking about this as well. If you lived through, which I know you did, the 2008-2009 recession, and there's the model of what to expect of what's going to come, is that there's going to be a correction in real estate prices. Some markets are going to be more drastic than others. And that correction will see prices go down into a valley, but then it will come back up. I personally believe it'll be a faster recovery than the 2008-2009 recession, because the fundamentals have nothing's happened to the fundamentals. We just had this event, like a light switch, throw us off with the economy, but nevertheless, there'll be an opportunity. And that's the wake-up call for everyone. I was talking to an investor yesterday, and he said he lived through 2008, 2009. He actually was on the other side of it. He had bought property in 2006, 2007, and saw prices crash in 2008, 2009, like so many did. And that was, you look at it one of two ways. It either could be a mistake that was made, or it could be looked at as a learning experience. I'm encouraging everyone who went through that to use it as a learning experience, no matter what your personal situation was, because if you profit from what happened in 2008, 2009, it was not a mistake, but rather it was a learning experience. And we all have that ability right now to profit from the 2008 and 9 recession by knowing what's coming up before us right now. Do not get caught on the sidelines 2 or 3 years from now saying, oh, I could have bought that building for that. And it's already passed. The opportunity is here. We know what to expect. And so now's the time for action. And I talked about this in yesterday's session. The first thing you got to do is go create some deal flow. Get your marketing started, because it's beginning. The opportunity is here right now. Have a great day, everyone.